Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a bake with me. It is currently, sorry if I'm talking quiet, but it's currently 1:24 in the morning. I feel like this is kind of the only time where my family isn't downstairs and I wanted to film this video. I don't really know why. At first it was gonna be like making a cake for my parents because like I was just like in a mood for like a solid 2 months, and then it was gonna be like, oh, I'm sorry that like I was being basically a bitch, a bad daughter for 2 months, and then it was like I was gonna do it the night before Mother's Day, so I was like, oh, it's gonna be like a Mother's Day cake, and then now it is, I don't even know, the 15th. So now we just have this cake here that, you know, we can just make it for all those combined. I went to Target a couple, maybe like the day before Mother's Day. Yeah, I got, it's kind of messed, it was like in my car for a while. But I got this strawberry, super moist cake mix, and I was deciding between strawberry and lemon, and I felt like lemon would be good too, but also I've never tried strawberry cake, so this will be a first. And you know, we have a lot of pink going on. Oh, also, this is my merch. Link down below to get it at gigliotti.com. But yeah, so I just thought it would go good too. I wasn't even planning on wearing this, but like, you know, now it's just everything pink. Also, we have these flowers here. Oh yeah, maybe it's good I waited till after Mother's Day because my mom has these cute little flowers. And I also have a candle that's pink. All this stuff to make me less scared being downstairs at 1 a.m. And then I also got this frosting, which is kind of healthy because it's like whipped, so it's like lighter, you know? Yeah, let's see what the total was. The total was $308, so I'm making this video on a budget. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna be making a cake for no reason at this point because I really waited so long. I don't know why. I used to be up like really late, so, like a couple nights, like last week or the week before, like 2 nights, I literally just couldn't fall asleep, and the time went by so fast that like I literally went to bed at 7 a.m. and I just didn't feel it at all. Around that time too, I would just go to bed at like 2 or 3. But now I literally, like, my eyes are like watering at midnight. But I had some coffee, I ate a kiwi, and now we're here. We're energetic. I can't find a cake thing though. My parents are asleep, so my mom would definitely know where it is. I can only find like a loaf. Hold on, I'll get it. I'm scared. I feel bad. Like, could I actually be any more loud? Also, don't mind my hair. I feel like it just never works up in a ponytail. But yeah, these are actually the 3 options we have. At first, I only saw this thing. So we could do this, you know, like banana bread. I see a lot of people making. Maybe we could do that next. We have these cake pop things. I don't know if I'll do this one though because I don't have like those little sticks. But then, so I may do like some, like a thin. I feel like it'd be thin, right? Because that's kind of deep. This, you know, little muffin. Okay, I may do this. Deciding between these two, so we'll see what happens. And then even though I just have white icing, I have dye, like the little drops, you know, so maybe I can do like a design or something, you know, get a little spicy. I don't even know, get a little creative. Filming for 6 minutes, literally haven't even read the directions. Okay, this is what the directions look like, by the way, so you guys know what I'm reading off of. Okay, we are already on low battery. It's a great start. Let's get in focus again. I get in focus. She's like, I'm dying, I can't even focus. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see. It was already on 350. It's meant to be. Let's make sure there isn't anything in there. We're good. Oh, and grease the bottom of it. So I'm gonna go get that little, like, you have spray grease. Coconut oil. That works. So mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl with mixer on medium speed, or beat vigorously by hand. I hated that word choice for 2 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do, because I'm not gonna, I mean, we do have a KitchenAid, but like, isn't that loud? I don't know. I like doing it with my hands anyway. Okay, I'm gonna change the battery and then get out all those ingredients. So I will see you in a second. Did I zoom it in on accident? Oh gosh, that just made it so bright. But I have the pans, and then I got out the oil. It said vegetable oil, but you know, we have canola. Oh my gosh, my phone. It's very fingerprinty. This bowl for measuring the oil, and then we need water, and then 3 eggs. We have our eggs in like this clear thing. And then the mixing bowl. It says 1 cup of water, ½ a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So thanks to FCS, I know I have to use the liquid measuring thing. But first, I'm just gonna put in the cake mix because that's easy. Oh, it's white. What the heck? I thought it would be pink. Life ruins, to be honest. All right, I'm really gonna burst this open. Out the corner. Let's smell it. Oh, that smells good. It smells like a granola bar. That's what it smells like. Let's put it in this. I got a really big bowl because I didn't know how much. It's the worst when your bowl is too small, you know? You gotta get every girl grain out. All right, that is the mix. And now we're gonna add 1 cup of water. We got the cup. I'll pour that in. What the hell? Why did I put that corner into the measuring thing? Anyway. Ooh, wait, it's turning pink already. Wait, can you guys see that? 1/2 cup of oil. Yeah, it said, I think these are kind of similar because I feel like we would have vegetable oil, you know? I don't know why I said that twice, but I feel like that's like a substitute. All right, the oil. Gotta get that all, it kind of sticks to the sides, you know? Looks like strawberry milk. I miss that. I used to drink that all the time. All right, we're at 305. Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. That's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so liquidy, like it really is about to fall out. I feel like it's not as pink. It's like hot pink in real life. Pour it into the pan and bake as directed in the chart. Or then put a toothpick to see if it's done. Oh, cupcakes, 12 to 17 minutes. 13 by 9 is 28 to 33 minutes. I don't even have that. I have this and super miniature cupcakes, so we're just gonna have to watch it, I guess. Wait, look how pretty this looks though. That's so satisfying. I think I'm gonna do cupcakes. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Because this loaf thing, I feel like it's kind of too deep, so we're gonna use this. So now we just have to fill them up. Let's do this. I'm gonna put you at a lower angle. Just gonna use this silver one. All of them, that's what they look like. I kind of did fill them to the top, but we'll see how it goes. So I think I'm gonna put those in now. What time is it? It is 1:48. Like it had a cupcake time. Oh, it just says cupcakes make 24. I'm just gonna look at it at 12 just since they're like really small. So, oh wait, that's good timing. Oh, it's 49 now, but it would have been like 2, I guess. How is it already 2? Please let me know. There they go. But okay, there's not like a lot left. I don't know if you can see that. It's like that much left. So I don't know if this whole pan will fit. Like, that wasn't even English. I need to burp. If like it'll fit this pan, and if so, it'll just be really thin. So I think I'm just gonna wait till those come out. Just make some more mini ones. You know what I mean? Because I feel like that'll be random. Just have like this loaf of it. Oh, we can do the icing in the meantime. What was that? Icing. Maybe I'll make like different colors. So we can do white and maybe like blue or green. Let's see if I can find the dye though. All right, I got it. This one's I found. This one is neon. And then this one, oh, this one is neon too. I don't even know if we have regular ones. Let's say, and I think we also have I was gonna say sprinkles too, but I don't know where. So we have green, purple, pink, and blue. Hey, I found our sprinkles. So a lot of these ones, well, they can be multi-purpose, but hold on. I feel like these 3 are pretty Christmassy. This is like, well, this could be normal. It's just red and white, and then red and green. And then this one is white. I have to be very careful though, because my dad hates sprinkles. Oh, these are kind of like the same. These are silver though. And then these are definitely Christmassy. That's like all the different colors. And then this one is brown. So I don't really want to use that. This is our current assortment of sprinkles. Wait, I literally didn't stick the pan. I'm thinking I can take them out with them without them getting ripped. But are you serious? How did I forget that? Literally how? And now it's 6 minutes. Let's see. Damn, they're already overflowing. Look at them. Oh my gosh, I hope that's like fine. Yeah, we're at 154. Sorry, it's like a glare. Okay, but in the meantime, let's make different colored icings. If we can even use them, to be honest. But here, we have little bowls. So we have our 2 bowls and our whipped icing, vanilla. Ooh, that's what it looks like. You can tell it's like light. So I'm gonna take a scoop of that and just, yeah, it's kind of big. I may need more, but we can just add more, you know. Okay, and then I'm gonna get another spoon because I'm gonna have to mix the dye in. So I think I definitely want blue. Just gonna do 1 to start with because it'll probably look cute if it's really light blue. It's a boy. This is really a baby shower though. It's like, damn, that was only 1? I have pink cupcakes with blue icing. So they're like a gender reveal, but we don't even know what it is. Okay, so that is the blue. Very pretty. And then I think I'm gonna do purple. Hopefully it doesn't look pink. I think purple would look really pretty with the pink. Ooh, wait, this looks so like satisfying. We got our 2 colors. I think I'm just gonna make the other 2. Then by the time we have all of them, I feel like we'll have enough for each one. I'm not joking, I didn't even add the eggs in. I didn't add the 3 eggs. Vegan, this is vegan now. Yeah, whatever. We'll see how this comes out. Whatever. I'm so mad at myself. All right, oh, that was 2 on accident. Oh, and a green spoon to go with it. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, this really is neon. These are our colors, and this is what it should be kind of done because it's 2. We'll take them out and see what these eggless things look like. This is the product. Ooh, they passed the test. Okay, so I put them in the freezer so they could kind of harden up a little bit, but basically no matter what I do, like look, this is like pretty hard. It just comes up and then this stuff is in the bottom and it's like really fluffy. So I think what I'm gonna do Like, look, it's like obviously like hardened up, but then when I go to try and get it out, ow. Even if I like scoop it, right? This is what I was trying to do. Just breaking, and then the bottom is just like really, like, I don't know, she just like came off so easily, and I feel like that's how all of them are gonna be. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the other, well, I'll show you, because those just aren't coming out, and if they are, like, it's just gonna be a mess everywhere. So I think what I'm gonna do is put more in here. I know this sounds stupid, but like they literally won't come out. Like, maybe they do need time to harden up all together though. Well, whatever. This is my plan so far, but if I'll just leave them overnight to harden, but since the top is already hard, we can ice them tonight. But I'm gonna put the rest in here, and then maybe when we eat them, we can just like eat it out of it. You know what I mean? Like, obviously not eat the whole pan, but like, I don't know what else to do. Cleared. I'm gonna put this in for this is so stupid, for like 10 minutes again. It is currently 2:24, so yeah, I'm just gonna take it out probably at like 2:34. Okay, I'm just gonna start icing them. So that is what they look like. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep these in here. There's like a batch done. Like I said, maybe by the morning they'll be hard. Okay, so it is currently 2:58 and we're finally finished, kind of. Just kind of, because we don't even know how they're gonna turn out. Okay, that just looks bad, but you know, besides the stuff on the side. But this is the other batch, that one's kind of prettier. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. This was definitely like a fail, but you know, maybe next time we'll do another baking video and actually follow the instructions. I think I like get off track when I'm filming. I kind of like forget things, and I'm just like always looking at like the next step, so that's probably why I forgot some of the ingredients. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you later.